welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So here we are at the at-home store. All right, let's take a look. They have some fall stuff back here on display. I'm loving that fall tree. Okay, so that is, oh my goodness, $119.99. And then we have these topiary pumpkins, and that's $129.99. We have these cute little dogs, and those are $89.99. I am loving that chair and those throw pillows. So the throw pillows are $9.99. I'm not sure what the couch is. It looks so nice though. Look at this big pumpkin. I am loving it. And these are the little baby puppies. Okay, so then we have these. We have these pumpkins. And that's also $119.99, and we're gonna make our way over there so you can take a closer look at that. I'm liking that pumpkin, and I love that wagon. So that wagon right there says Happy Harvest, and it's $24.99. Okay, so this floral piece is really nice, has weight to it, so I think it goes outside. $14.99, isn't that beautiful, guys? Okay, and these little accent pieces are so nice. So these are $3.99, which I'm liking. And then these are gnomes, and they're $8.99. So over here we have the acorn and the pumpkin. Let's see. I don't want to lift it because it's too heavy, but isn't that pretty, guys? Nice and farmhousey. Okay, so here we have I'm loving the sunflowers. I love the vibrance of that milk can with that floral arrangement. And then these are lighter pumpkins. Let's see how much this is. I'm not sure I can work this with one hand. $8.99. So that's really pretty. Here we have some more of those topiaries. I'm loving that vase. Look at the size of that pumpkin, guys. So here we have some fabric ones. And these are $59.99. And here's some faux. Oh, I like that. This is faux hay. And aren't these absolutely gorgeous, guys? Look at that. Okay, that's faux wood pumpkins, $39.99. I'm loving that. So pretty. So here's some more of the stand-up decor, and then you have some light up stuff over here, gnomes, and also this pumpkin is light up. Yes, that's light up. Then you have these topiary pumpkins. Those are $19.99. Okay, so we have some stuff you can stick in the ground here. That's really pretty, guys. So I am loving those trucks. Aren't they cute? So I can't see a price from here. Let me see if I could see. I think it's $59.99, and then you got some pillows over there. So this is really pretty. So they're selling it. It's light up, and they're selling it for $39.99. I don't know. I think I can try to make that. Okay, so I love these trays, $6.99. Some more gnomes, some more dogs inside of the pumpkin. And then here is some area decor. So let's see how much that is. $4.99. So we have hello, thanks, fall, and welcome. Then we have some more stuff there. Okay, so these are some chair covers. $7.99 each. And then I'm liking the corn. So that's the metal corn. You can put that outside. It's $12.99. And I'm liking those topiaries. That's $17.99. All right, so these pillows are so nice. And let's see. So these are $9.99. So the Dollar Tree does have these in the gold, and I believe those are less money. These are a little bit smaller, and here's your mushrooms, and I am loving this acorn candle. So there is the wood stand pumpkin. And then here you have some, I love these colors. Okay, these are $5.99. I don't see a sale sign, But these are so nice. So I hope that you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.